Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the 2021 vision boards, how to create them, what's the benefit of having a vision board, and then kind of like what's the difference between a vision board and goals. So yeah, we're going to go over both of those and just kind of like, you know, have fun with it. You're going to need a poster board of some sort. So here is a nice size. You can even like split this in half. This one is more of a, foam board, but you can use a poster board too as well. The things that you can use for a vision board are markers. Here I have some markers here. Pens, I have these pretty gel pens, as well as like Sharpies or pencils or anything that you know you want to incorporate on your board. You can use pretty much. You can use like cloth, you can use leaves, you can use anything pretty much you can imagine can go on your board. It is your board, it's your vision, so you know anything goes. So on my vision board, I use stickers. So here I picked up some stickers from Walmart. I use some already. This is what I have, stickers. I even have bigger stickers just to make things pop out. You're gonna need magazines. Here I have quite a few, and magazines, just different things, like because you're gonna be obviously cutting them out. So magazines, I do have just all different types of magazines to match my vision, and as well as different types of construction paper I use to cut out for the background. The very first thing you are going to need though before even starting your vision board is a pen and paper or a notebook. Okay, so you're going to need a pen and paper, and you want to do is write down all of your visions, anything, everything that comes to your mind. Write it down. If you want to be a millionaire, if you want to have an island, if you want to start your own shoe line, anything you can possibly think of, write it down. This is your vision, it's nobody else's. Don't let anybody else's like thoughts and their ideas be yours. Like, this is yours, this is what you want, and this is where you see yourself. And like I said, the difference between a goal and a vision, like a vision board, is a goal you want to accomplish. You have a timeline, you have a date stamp for this goal. I want to have this goal done by this date. Your vision board is something that is like, you know, forever on. Like it can happen next year, it can happen in 5 years, it can happen in 10 years, it can happen in 20 years. It's something that you see yourself long term. So like, don't set it as a goal. Don't say this is my vision board and I'm going to put these for goals. These are more for a vision that you see yourself in for the future. I'm going to show you my board though. So and my board is very different. I put it on a whiteboard. So this right here does come off. Like I taped it on here. So this poster board comes off so next year when I'm doing my 2022 vision board, I can still use this board because it's a whiteboard because I want to have my goals here. And then I can just put on a new poster board. So cut out, I wrote the word Vision 2021 and I wrote things down, like things that I want. I also took things from the magazine and paste them there. And then I went in to write in what it is that I am looking for. So this one right here is my vision board. Now my goals are something else. This is what I want to have accomplished by this year. And one of the goals we're going to write on here is I want to start drinking more water. I'm very bad at drinking water, and it's something that it's embarrassing. So I'm gonna set like mini challenges to get to this goal to drink more water. Another goal I have this year is to take the steps to learn a new language. I want to start learning Spanish. So that is my goal, is not learn the language, but I want to have goals to take steps into learning that language. So like I said, these are my goals, and it's on a whiteboard because I can erase these and it's not like set in stone. Like these are what when I'm done I can cross them out and then completely erase and have a new goal. But for my vision, this is my vision board. So this is like what I want for my future. This is where I see myself, you know, things that I'm doing, things that I want to accomplish. Not necessarily the end of this year, but in the future, I want to have these and I want to accomplish them. So putting a vision board together is putting it out in the universe, putting it in your mind and having your, you know, yourself saying, like, if you're looking at it saying, I'm going to do that. And these are the goals I'm going to take to accomplish my vision for these. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please, question of the day today is, what are your goals? I know we're talking about visions and stuff like that, but what are some goals you want to accomplish this year? Like, what is something that you want to say by 2021 is, I did this. I set this goal up and I actually went through and did it. Now, goals are tricky. It takes steps to accomplish goals. So my suggestion is start small. Like for me, for water, I'm not going to say I'm going to be drinking a gallon of water a day or whatever it is. No, I'm going to start small. I'm going to, you know, do little mini challenges saying I'm going to get through like this much water, you know, in this week, and then start gradually building on that. So like just having the stepping stones to build upon that, that's what I'm going to do to accomplish that goal for the end of this year. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comment box below. I answer all my questions, and thank you. Have a nice day.